It's my birthday.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I'm 28. It's scary. My dad's here for the weekend. What did you think of the Tokyo video that you were in?
I don't know. I didn't watch.
You didn't watch our video?
No.
Why don't you want to support us? Huh?
You can't shame people into watching the videos. It's not good.
If you're our friend and you're not watching our video, it's like the
My battery went
Game of
down.
Thrones shame.
My battery went down.
Your battery went out.
Yeah,
My birthday wish is that you watch our video.
I will.
Ooh! We couldn't have gotten any luckier with the weather, huh?
Mm-mm.
Because it was raining.
Perfect day, post-rain, everything is fine.
Yeah. I really can't get over how massive these trees are, and they look so beautiful. And I'm a little bit stony baloney right now. But it's extra beautiful right now, and I'm just like... Everything is so crisp after the rain. Amazing. And Boo's got a steady place. My dad's up ahead. 28. I want to continue to be healthy and move my body. I've been really liking going to the gym, and this walk is very nice. Blake, do you want to come up with 28 things you want to do this year?
28? I mean, maybe not off the top of my head right now.
Yeah, but if you think
yeah,
of one,
sure.
put it in the video. It'll be our goals.
28 videos.
28
How about
videos.
that?
Whoa.
What's your dad doing?
He's yawning
Why?
because he's tired, but like trying to wake up.
What?
He's like, ah! Gotta pee.
So here, drink.
Uh-oh. There's a car.
We just had our walk. We walked how many miles, Dad?
I don't know. 5 miles.
5.5.
5.5.
Oh, you know what?
Five,
Call it 6. Call it 6 miles.
We just walked 6 miles
Mr. T,
and
just round up. You gotta exaggerate for your friends.
No, you corrupt me.
You'd be like, I ate one entire pizza to myself. I ate 3
Yeah.
3
I ate the
pizzas?
whole pizza.
because I walked 6 miles.
Why are these people so crazy, Boo? Tell me.
One pizza for every 2 miles.
No.
Why are they so crazy?
3 weeks.
It's my birthday. I'm having a pizza party.
Pizza party, exactly.
party.
It's a pizza party. I love how that's what it turned into.
I know.
what?
It was like, we'll do an arts night,
You know what? For
potluck.
Sure, the guy
Pizza.
forgot to give us.
You know why?
The-
Because I'm just lazy
what is it
this
called?
year.
Pepper and Parmesan?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we have pepper and
I know,
Parmesan
but
at home.
they forgot.
No. It's
Did
okay.
it?
It's
Plates?
okay.
I mean,
You're right, they did forget to ask, I
See?
think, but actually they might not give it there because they put fresh parm on it. Just look at those pizzas.
small. It's like personal pan pizza.
Oh my god, don't.
Yeah.
Don't you dare, Mr. T.
Come on. You can see it. It's like
I see a full-blooded
8 inches.
gourmet pizza.
8 inches.
8 inches?
Can't.
Yeah.
Is it focusing?
What happened? It's no good.
I don't know. They just went out of business for some reason. Like so many other restaurants out here.
He's so cute. We forgot pizza.
You can though.
Jocelyn, thank you for coming to my birthday.
Guess
And
what?
for your
Guess
cute
what?
ass gift. She gave me this hat and these earrings. And she took a, yeah. Thank you for coming to my birthday hangout.
You're welcome. I'm glad I came. Glad I could make it.
Hi, Eddie.
We're having a craft night.
Hello. Okay, just come draw a little tiny dragon. Just a
Ty.
little one.
Ty,
Don't do it, or else I'm gonna whoop you.
Ty,
What?
come craft. Come over and craft. I can show you how to make a necklace.
And on that note, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicole.
28.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you. I love you all.
Yeah, wish something.
Wish something.
Okay, shoot. Wish. Okay.
Where's that? Where's the knife?
Yeah. Woo!
Yay.
Living her best life.
I'm 28. That's what I have to tell myself. That's so funny.
It's so good. It's perfect.
Stick around for a piece of cake now.
What a successful night. My 28th birthday. Boo. Boo, say good night. Good night.